You won't believe these places are just 2 kilometers away from Gangtok's main city, MG Marg. And the best part, they are so close to each other that you can explore them all in one go. First stop, Deorali Ropeway. Only 10 minutes by car or about 20 minutes if you feel like walking. This ride gives you stunning aerial views of Gangtok and the valley below. It opens daily unless the weather gets really bad. Tickets for a round trip are Rs 230 for adults and 120 for children up to 3 to 5 years. And for a one-way journey, it's Rs 176 for adults and 93 for children up to 3 to 5 years. In order to avoid long queues, please reach early and of course choose a clear day so you won't miss those incredible views. Walking here from the ropeway is a treat in itself. You might pass by cozy cafes or souvenir shops and who knows, maybe find the perfect spot for your Instagram. Today we have the Namgyal Institute of Tibetology, a treasure chest of Buddhist culture. It's open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily. Entry is just 25 rupees per person, but remember, it's closed on Sundays and government holidays. Inside, you will see ancient royal scripts, rare thangkas, and a beautiful library. But here's something important. No photography inside the museum. If you're caught, it's a Rs 5,000 fine. Finally, right behind the institute is the Drul Chorten, surrounded by greenery. This sacred stupa is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Cars are unallowed all the way up unless you are elderly or have mobility issues, so most people walk. As you go around the stupa, spin the prayer wheels and softly chant Om Mani Padme Hum for peace and blessings. And here's an interesting fact. The height of the Guru Rinpoche's statue here is said to increase on its own over time. These three spots are so close that you can easily walk between them or just grab a short taxi ride from MG Marg. You get breathtaking views, rich culture and peaceful vibes all in one afternoon. Which one would you explore first? Or if you have already been here, share your experience in the comments. And if you would like to know more about each of these places, simply click the link given below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more travel content like this.